Hi everyone! Welcome to
Straight out of Osaka.
Today, I show you how to make
Mitarashidango.
mitarashidango is one of traditional Japanese sweets. It's rice cake skewered and served with a sweet and salty soy sauce. It's a perfect dessert with afternoon tea and it's super yummy. Alright, let's get started. These are ingredients. I use this Shiratamako for this recipe. First, soak the skewers in water. This will make it easier to skewer the dango. Mix the tofu and Shiratamako in the bowl. If the dough is too firm, add a little water. It's ready if it's as soft as your earlobe. Divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Then elongate each one. Each piece of dough is cut into 10 pieces. After cutting, roll them out for making a ball. You can make 15 to 20 balls. Put the dough ball into the boiling water and boil 3 to 4 minutes until the dough ball is floating. When the dough balls float to the surface, boil them for another few minutes. After a few minutes, remove from boiling water, then put in ice-cold water. While the dango are cooling, make the mitarashi sauce. In a small saucepan, put 150 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of Katakuriko. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly until the sauce thickens like this. Take out the dango and put them on skewers. I made 3 dango each. You can make 4 or 5 depending on the skewer. You don't have to toast them, but it's just as delicious with a little toasting on the surface. Place dango on a non-stick fry pan and toast until they are slightly browned. Now ready to eat! Normally, mitarashidango is made with 2 types of rice flour, but this one is made with a mixture of tofu, so it makes them very smooth and soft texture. It's quick and easy, so give it a go!
いただきます。
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye! ほなまたね!